Hello, good afternoon. My name's Roger McCardle. Here we are at ISE 2026. I'm from Ashton Bentley, and Ashton Bentley is now part of Kramer AV. And what I'd like to show to you today is our brand new Express install for Microsoft Teams Room. So over the last year, we've been working with Microsoft to develop the whole Teams Room concept, the Express install concept. And what it's all about is making the installation of Microsoft Teams Rooms much easier. So the whole point here is you have absolutely everything you need to deploy a room. We've got the display, and that's provided by Samsung. We have the video bar, which is provided by Logitech, and then the whole display stand, which is Ashton Bentley. Now this can be bought as one SKU. It's ultra easy to deploy because it's all done with our patented thumb screw knob system. But very simply, you can buy it as one SKU, but it gives you everything you need. All you need to do then is just load the license onto the Rally bar, and you have a complete Teams Room solution. Ultra simple, very, very simple. For more information, please visit our website, which is www.ashtonbentley.com.